morning, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Denise, and we are going to work on an extra project. So for this project, we need a couple of things. We need some red paint and some green paint. We need 2 paper plates, and you can get little ones or you can use big ones. It doesn't matter, whichever ones you have at your home. And you're going to need your craft sticks. Okay, if you have the bigger, fatter craft sticks, that would work better. I just happen to have the small ones. I still haven't gotten to the store to get my big ones yet. You're also going to need your markers and a paintbrush. Okay, now this is a project of opposites. So we're going to make 2 different kinds of signs. We're going to make a stop sign and a sign that says go. Yep, that's what we're going to do. I already painted mine so that it would dry. So I have my red painted, which is my stop sign. And I'll just put it right up here. And I painted my green for, that's right, go. This one isn't quite dry all the way, but hopefully my marker will write on it. Okay, and then you have your popsicle sticks. Now I have not colored my popsicle sticks yet or my craft sticks, so I will do that with you guys right now. And I'm just going to use my marker to do this. And I'm going to make my green one green, and I'm going to make my stop sign one red. That's right. So I'm just going to color these with marker. You can either use marker, or if you want, you can paint them with your green paint and your red paint. I just chose to do marker for this project. You could also use your dabber paints. That would work too. Okay, and now I need my red. Got my green one done, and now I'm working on my red. And so when you see a traffic light, if you're riding in a car and your mom and dad or your grown-up is driving and they see a traffic light and it's red, that means what? Stop. That's right. And what happens when it turns green? That means go. That's right. Good job. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to write on my stop signs go and stop. And your grown-up can help you spell this out, okay? Or help you write it if you need help. So stop is S. So I'm going to make an S like that. And then T, st, st. O. And P, 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 stop. So now my sign says stop. So what do you think I'm going to write on my green one? That's right, go. So we'll make a big G. There's my G, and then O. And that says go. Okay, and then you're going to take your little craft sticks and you're going to tape them to the back of your signs. Okay, so I'm going to get my go sign and I'm going to tape it right here. And I'm going to get my stop sign and I'm going to take my red one right here. Let me make sure I get it all nice and straight. I think I got some green paint on my red stop sign, but that's okay. I did. I got a little bit. Let me see if I can wipe off some of that green. I can't, but that's okay. We still know what it says. Okay, and then I am going to show you what your 2 signs will look like. Stop and go. So then you can play games at your house. You can play the stop go game. So what you do is you all line up, and when you hold up your red sign, that means stop. That means they can't move. But then when you want them to move, you can hold up your green go sign, and that means go. And then you go stop, go, stop, go. That would be a lot of fun. I would love to see your stop and go signs. So when you finish making them, if you could have your grown-up take a picture and post it on Facebook, that would be awesome. Well, I will see you guys later. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.